art style of Vasily Kandinsky.
The Christmas Chimes. There was a church high on a hill. The area around the church was peaceful and still. The church had enormous bells, too. They would never ring, and no one knew what to do. No one could understand why they would not ring. They said,
"This is really a very strange thing."
The people in the town tried everything. They thought with the right offering, the bells would definitely ring. Treasures were brought to the church every day.
"We're sure the bells will ring on Christmas Day,"
they would say. In a little village far away lived two brothers, and one did say,
"I heard that the bells will ring on Christmas Day. I think we should be there. We can walk all the way."